Hey gang, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today I want to talk to you about Audible. So Audible is a service that from Amazon has available for you. Two different plans. So one is, and each one of them have a 30-day free trial. So that's one thing. So you have Audible Plus. So what that is, a 30-day free trial, like I said, and it's $7.95 per month. So listen to all the things that are included. So originals, audiobooks, sleep tracks, meditation programs, and podcasts. So that's all included with that one. And if you get the Audible Premium Plus, again, free 30 days, it's $14.95 a month. You get everything in the first plan, but the second plan with this additional one, you get one audio book per month to keep, which is yours. Then you can add additional credits to the plan and add more if you want to have more than one book. You can do more than one. So that's the plan. So it's very simple and very easy to understand. Select what works best for you and then start listening. I think you get 30 days for free, which is a great deal. So let's just give it an example here. So I want to make a video to show you a little bit about how these work. So there's all different kind of categories here that you can look at: true crime, romance, business and career, bio, whatever. So you want to listen to certain ones. So what's really cool about this, that you can actually listen to a little sampling of the actual audiobook, which is really cool. So here's Tom Brady, right? So here's one of his books, and listen to the sample.
Standard for my game. My ability to sustain my peak performance over the last 10 years came from rethinking how to train.
Isn't that cool?
And specifically, how to train with pliability.
He actually did this himself, which is really
cool. I now
cool.
realize that this is something that can help not only elite athletes, but anyone and everyone who's willing.
So there's a sampling. So that's really kind of cool. So you can do the audiobook, you can do a Kindle, you can buy the hardcover paperback. So you get a lot of options there. So what's cool about this is you can actually also stream it to your Alexa device, which is really awesome. And that's just one example. Here's another example here. Let's take a look at another one. Here's a Stephen King novel. Again, you get really cool. You can listen to the samples.
Drunk at the time. It wasn't much of a blessing for us, Charlie, was it?
This is
It was
cool.
named the Frank Ellsworth.
All right, so they give you a little sample of what that's like. So that's really cool. So there's all different types of books here. There's all types of things available, and it's really just really, really nice. So they have, again, the Audible Plus and then the Audible Premium Plus to listen and really enjoy and listen to the audio, because I love audiobooks, you know what I mean? So if you have an Alexa in your car, you can stream it. You can hook up your phone, then you can stream it. You can stream it to your Amazon device. You can take it with you on the road. I have a lot of flexibility with this program, more than a lot of other ones do. So I really do like this. I'll leave a link down below in the bio and in the description of this video. It is an affiliate link, just to let you know, and I do get a small commission if you do buy it, which costs purchase the actual premium one. And it just helps my channel, helps support my channel. It costs nothing for you, but I want to just give you the information. I want to be transparent, always transparent. That's very important. Just talk to you about this program, Audible, which is really nice. Business and career, all kinds of options. So don't make it too video too long. You get the point. I appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And also if you enjoy all my content on my channel, don't forget that super thanks down below. That helps support my channel. So everything I do raise goes back into the channel so I can continue making informational videos to help you make decisions on what you want to do. And that's what this channel is all about. So check them out. Check out my channel. I have over 700 videos on this channel, from plumbing to basic electrical to everything in between. That's what this channel is all about, to help you navigate through life. All right, guys, thanks for watching.